In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can create a Power App that shows matching part numbers from two Dataverse tables. So we are in Microsoft Teams and we have a Power App. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create two tables So the first table is going to have I'll just call it table 1. I'm going to rename this column, call it part number. I'm just going to put some random part numbers in here. And in the second table, I'm going to put part numbers that are in the first table. So I've created the first table. I'm saving it. Now I'm going to create the second table. Call this table Table 2. With the column of part number. Again, I'm going to put some part numbers in here. Make sure that I have a part number from table 1 inside of table 2. So this part number right here was also in table 1. Save and close table 2. Now I have both tables, table 1 and table 2. So after we have created the two tables in Dataverse, I'm going to insert a blank vertical gallery. And in the items property of the gallery, we're going to put in the following. So we're filtering on table 1 and we're looking at the part number and we're doing a show columns from table 2 to display the matching part number in table 2. So now I'm going to insert a text box inside of the gallery. In the value property of the text box, I'm going to type in this item dot part number, and you'll see that it displays the matching part number from both tables. So we have 85744763. Let's make the font size bigger so you can see it. Let's verify that that part number is in both tables. Go to Edit Data for Table 1. Here it is, Table 1. Go to Edit Data in Table 2. Here it is in Table 2. Now, if I were to put in another part number, let's say 104, in Table 2, I'm going to put that same number in Table 1. So both tables have saved with the new part number in. You see that 104 is now inside of our gallery. So we just need to add a label. So it says part number. And this is how you can display part numbers in two different tables in Dataverse.